So the highlight for us so far is pretty much getting to know the customers, our client base and our area.
We've had really good support. We had Jeff come over to the house for training and Sally for the launch. We've also had Jonathan helping, so there's really good support available to us when we need it.
We chose Xpresso because it was easy to find, easy to deal with. The training and the marketing that come along with it helped us make the decision very quickly.
I was actually a carer and used to sell mobility equipment, so it's a little bit different from that.
Project management was my thing, as well as estimating. It's something that I probably will get back into here shortly and leave Mel to run the business, but yes, line marketing for me. Go for it, have a crack at it. This business is magnificent through their training and the way they help with their launching and marketing.
We're loving it so far, so if you've got a passion for it, just go ahead and jump in and have a go.